Hey, it's John, LBF Little Blue Ford with Lisa.
Hello.
And her car's due for a tune-up.
It's got a hole.
Yeah,
A hole in it.
I started working on it. Now I realized I forgot to film. So, air filter, I'm gonna shop vac that out. Coil pack, plugs, plug wires, oil filter and change, and we're gonna get the summer tires back on. So, hang on. Hey, it's John, LBF Little Blue Ford. I'm with Lisa and Paul and Michaela. In Lisa's car. Lower control arm on the passenger side.
Lisa's car again.
Lisa's car again. Shocker. Passenger side control arm, lower control arm. We did the driver's a while ago, but doing this. And we gotta do the tie rod end on the driver's side. Of course, it's raining. Which it wasn't supposed to be raining, but it's raining.
We got our makeshift shop.
Yeah, got our makeshift shop. So, the old one, ball joint's not too terrible, but the problem's over here.
So
That this is not supposed to disconnect like that. So. Getting it handled here. Hang on. Alright, so finished getting the control arm on the passenger side, flipped it around, and got our new tie rod end on over here. It was a fight. It took the torch. We didn't record because we're terrible YouTubers. Anyway, gonna get the tire back on, so hang on. Go ahead, Michaela, doing this.
Yeah, Michaela, you should be doing it.
First try every time.
No? No? Oh. She said no, folks, sorry. Said no go today. No, 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 not today.
Don't fall off the garage flap.
Which could possibly happen.
It could possibly happen.
Oh, we got the big guns out. Look at the big guns. Oh, keep going. My car should be perfect now. Perfect in the front, anyway. We still have suspension to do in the back.
Alright.
Okay, here he is.
Yeah. So, I'll hit these with a breaker bar, make sure they're torqued, and till the next one.